In this tutorial, we'll be looking at an overview of the website editor in the page builder. Once you log in, you'll be brought to the account dashboard. You can just click Edit Site, and this will bring us into the page builder. Now here you can change everything on your site. If you want to edit text, just click or highlight. If you want to change which page you're working on, just go up to the Page drop-down menu. You can see all the pages on your site. If you want to change a page, just click. This will bring us to edit the contact page. Same thing with the text. If you want to change the color schemes, go to the drop-down. You can customize your own colors or choose from a preset color scheme. Whenever you make a change, always remember to save. And if you want to make your changes go live, you'll just hit publish. Now you can view your website on desktop, tablet, or mobile view. Let's go back to desktop view. Now if you go to Menu Manager, you'll see all the options that are in your navigation menu. You can add, delete, or rearrange items. If we look at the financing here, there's a little typo. So we're just going to click on the gear icon and we'll fix that. And just hit save and apply changes. Now we can see it's fixed in our navigation menu. Don't forget to save and publish when you're done. And that's all for this tutorial.